2001 Ford Escape V6. Going up for sale. Good motor. Excellent transmission. Had a new pump put on a transmission 3,000 miles ago. 460,000 mile Kumo tires with about 3,000 miles on them. No tears in the interior. Never been wrecked. Airbags all intact. Mileage is 74,095. Has body rust, undercarriage rust, current state inspection. The problems that I've been told by my inspection mechanic that the car has is significant undercarriage rust. The wide pipe exhaust is gone. Well, not working, you know, screwed up. Done. Electric windows all work. Everything works on the car. Current inspection expires the end of September. Currently insured and drivable. But I'm not in a position to make the repairs to the rust or the wide pipe to get it inspected and continue owning it. It's already been replaced with that car. So, if you need a very inexpensive car to work on, you do your own mechanical work, like doing body work, this is a very good car to start with. I think the video can show you just about everything you need to see. There's an example of the undercarriage rust. There's been a little bit of body work done on it to get it past inspection a couple years ago. This is all the model. I guess it's on the videotape. XLS. 4-wheel drive. Full time, like all-wheel drive, and then it has a switch on the dash to lock it into 4-wheel drive. Great little car. Gets good gas mileage. Taking on a trip, it's like, I think we got 26 mile a gallon on the highway. Gets probably around 20, 19 around town. Pretty good on gas. I'll show you the VIN number here, if I can see it. Hopefully you can read that. For repair or for parts, your choice.